A $60,000 proposal, a deep discount, one click from the buyer's inbox. Who signed off? With QuotWay approvals, the right person always does. Build approval policies in a visual editor or start from a template, like admin sign-off above $50,000. Target all quotes, high-value quotes, specific products, customer tags, or B2B companies. Then add steps, specific staff members, or anyone with a role. When a quote matches, QuotWay holds the proposal. Your rep submits it for approval, and the buyer sees nothing until it's cleared. Approvers get an email the moment they're needed. One click opens the quote, ready to decide. Approve, reject, or delegate, with a written rationale if you require one. Every decision is recorded. The moment the chain approves, the held proposal sends itself. No chasing, no copy-paste, the buyer just gets it. On Enterprise, add deadlines, remind, reassign, or auto-decide when time runs out, plus parallel steps, step conditions, and delegation. Approvals run on the buyer's side too. Their procurement approves before the quote is accepted. B2B, done properly. Control, without bottlenecks. Every quote checked by the right people, automatically. QuotWay, B2B quotes and negotiation, built for Shopify. Approval workflows come with the professional plan. Start free.